Yes, I play many here there. I win a lot of trophy. For me, Madrid is still the best team in the world. It will be a great game, I think. Manchester City are now is starting understanding how to win this kind of trophy. But I'm still fan for Real Madrid, no?
Yeah.
Because
Where do you think the game will be won and lost?
for me, I think Manchester City have a good chance for winning this game.
Claude Makelele is a former player of Real Madrid Football Club. In the season 2000 up to 2001, he was just one among of the incredible striker. Claude Makelele will be remembered for the closure, of course, and the intensive shots that he had ability to shoot, and of course he has that capacity. And here he is just speaking towards the match. I mean the second leg match of the UEFA Champions League. Real Madrid versus Manchester City at Etihad Stadium in London. As he used to say that game is going to be difficult. In fact, that game is going to be the competitive, and it's going to be the disaster match on both sides, only because they are going to meet the two giants and the two best teams in the world. Claude Makelele has been giving his experiences towards this match, as he used to say that these are the great games, and it needs the serious people. It needs very serious and careful. Of course, if a team does a consistent, or if anyone does mistake, there is a great possibility of being punished. And players must be serious, players must play hard, and of course they have to work hard on the pitch. The only thing to win these matches is to be serious, to be serious, careful, and working hard. And of course that's what he has been admitting here. Claude Makelele speaks so many things about his experience in the UEFA Champions League matches, as he used also to say that the personal or individual ability also is needed once one chance occurs, as of course it's better to score a goal. And if somebody gets a chance, maybe the open chance, it's very necessary for him to score a goal. And of course that's in fact the second leg match is just to be of course attacking a match, as each side needs the positive result. Of course they have drawn at Santiago Bernabeu, and in fact they have been